This is shrinking tube part 2. This time I'm making a ball. Start with this kind of copper tube, is 22 millimeters, and then I shrink it till it gets a round ball. There will be holes left. I have 2 holes, one on each side, and this is the technique how to do it. Start with the tube, and then I'm just hammering into a negative half round ditch. And then I continue smaller and smaller. Turn it. And after about nearly 45 minutes you have the round ball without any solderings. Only 2 holes. I think you can make the holes even smaller, but I didn't spend all the time. Thank you for watching.